Alright, so today's going to be a quick video. Just want to finish the Airbnb profile. Once I finish that, I think there was like 2 YouTube videos that I wanted to go through. They were like 10 hours long, 4 hours long. I'm going to do that offline. And then at that point, just finish up the Figma courses on Udemy that I purchased. See if they're any good. And those are the advanced courses. So once I finish that, come back around to the websites and then just implement like 2 or 3 more websites. I think by having these websites, I can reference them when I'm making my apps, see what kind of margins they have, see what kind of spacing they have, and yeah, I'm not gonna necessarily like copy the websites because I'm pretty sure they're copyrighted, but it's always useful to know like the rules and principles that they're following to make your own apps, websites. And yeah, so I think YouTube videos should take me like I should finish by Sunday. Udemy courses, maybe like 2 more weeks. In parallel to those courses, I'll probably be start making other websites. So we're looking at like 2 to 3 more weeks of Figma studying, actually. So 2 to 3 more weeks. Yeah, 2 to 3 more weeks of Figma studying. At that point, we're going to go into UI design. And this, I think, was probably just like a few courses, resources. So we're looking at like 2 to 3 weeks. So probably by the end of July, we're going to wrap up with the UI case study and learn design processes. This is just 2 to 3 weeks. This is just going to be ongoing because of the Google UX course and find problems. So I think realistically, we're looking like at the end of August. We're going to be finished with all of this. And then after that, there's a few more other courses, some other resources. So I think what I'm going to do is, in parallel to like these, start learning how to make iPhone applications, relearning. At one point I knew how to. I never actually made like anything that I put on the App Store, but I didn't know how to make like basic apps. So yeah, start relearning how to make iOS applications. That's going to take about 2 months, I think, to get up to par. And Android apps after that. And then marketing and sales. So probably looking at like putting out apps by the end of August still. That's a good timeline, I think. Alright, so let's just get into it. I want to do this quickly. This one's finished. This one is finished as well. Messages, I think, was finished. And profile was the only thing that I needed. This, yeah. So all the logos, this text right here, and then these titles. And then I wanted to have a horizontal frame for one of these. So let's get to it. Let me just make sure cool. So then this, let's see what we need. So we need a profile, this would do. And then we need payments. This looks good. Huh. It actually looks really similar. Payment. Taxes. There, what about paper? This one's good, I guess. Paper. What? Security. Let's just do this shield. Access. I think one of these makes more sense. Translation. This is no, because this is Korean. We need something that's a little bit more general, if there's anything at all, though. But I guess theirs is like a symbol now. I guess this is fine. Translation why? Notification. Privacy. I think this one's good. Yeah, so let's just add these first. And this should be like do I need a wait, maybe I don't need to mask it. There we go. But there's one issue, it's not that big. Let's see. Because I'm pretty sure I made it the same. So there we go. And there's the distance as well. $17. Let's paste it in this one. It's slightly off. Or actually, let's do this where we do 1, 2. And actually, let's try to paste it here. Here they're overlapping. Not sure. Wait, but why? Okay, this is confusing. Frame. And where is... So this should be in here, right? No. Why? Huh. know, that's something I want to look up because I don't quite understand it. But now it's there and it fits better now. The next thing. Actually, let's see what if I can do something. So here, let's do an image. And then we can just copy it over. So if we delete this, now if we do my downloads, copy this, paste it, what did that do? No. Think about this. Because I want to go quickly, but I also want to make it make sense. 23, I think it was. Shit. And then fill, no. Here, image, go here, choose. Can't be used as an image fill. PNG then. I don't have to go back through all Fine. I'll go back, download everything. That did not do what I wanted. Lock. Let's make it simpler for us. Let's do PNG. Yeah, 24 is okay. Actually, let's test it up first before I get carried away. But it's blurry. Oh, well, I mean, at that distance, it kind of looks fine. My only issue is that it's not actually 24 by 24. Okay, so then just push it over a little bit. Nice. So that does what we want. And so payments, or let's go backwards. List your home. So here we just go copy. Nope. Detach it, I guess. And then copy. Nope. Nope. Home. That worked, I guess. I thought it would be as simple as copy paste. Privacy and settings was a lock. Notifications. What's this? Oop. And then, no wait. Notifications. And translation, so now I have to go back, so let me do this on third page, see if I can drag and drop. Drag and drop. One with the website. So, or not. Translation. Now if I copy and then paste. Nope. That did not work. Nope. No, I really do have to, Okay, if I click it and then maybe like, no, I have to download it. Okay, that worked. And then accessibility. Why does it take me off of the keyboard? Accessibility. No, that drag and drop doesn't work. Okay, that. Security was what? The shield. Download. The shield. And then taxes was just a document. So then PNG, click here, drag and drop, and then payment. Am I on the right one? Oh, good thing I noticed that. Gift card. Why? Gift card. Or gift. This one is close enough. Siri. What about voice assistant? Voice Found one that's close enough. And then help. Okay, that one was easy. Safety. This one was easy to find. And then, like, what is this? Report? Or what is that called? No. Headset. Yeah, close enough. And then pencil. And then terms. Or what about policy? Or what about book? Found one that seems good enough. And so for all of these, we can just do this. Go here. Go here. Here, do the pencil. I think it was this one. Yep. This was the headset. This was the help center. Siri. Why didn't this one? Interesting. That's weird. Or no, go here, paste it. Yeah, no, it is off-centered. And then here we did the redeem. Looks good. Huh, why didn't I copy these over? Oh, okay. Just one. That's fine. And underline. Interesting. And then just copy this, go maybe to like 12? No, 14. version 24.25 20382. It might actually be 12. And then let's do 0. Ooh, perfect. Now the only thing is the fill. Looks a little bit darker, but that's fine with me. Or let's copy it over. And I notice this one we'll detach it. And how do I do none? All? Or, oh, right, duh. That is good. And then another thing to check was here's about 32. I don't want to include 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. Oh. 35 minus 7. 28. Do math, kids. Because then you forget. 28. Nope. This one. Oh, what was that? So let's go back here. Minus 12. That's better. And so that's done. You can just move this over here. Oh, this is a dust point on my screen. And now what I want to do is Chrome, go here, come here. How many photos can they have? How do we do this? Okay, so what I was looking at was the images on the Airbnb website. Let's just, how can I, okay, so let's first of all detach this instance, and then we'll drag it over here. Oh, I just remembered why this is going to be a little bit trickier then. Because on the Airbnb website, you scroll instance by image, not just like a horizontal scroll. Yeah. Yeah, so I'll leave that actually for advanced. But what we will do is just, I guess, fill in all the details. Where did it go? Jubilee. Ooh, $39? What? Stay in Prince's Purple Rain House. Hosted by Wendy and Lisa. Coming August. Oh. Go VIP with Kevin Hart. Hosted by Hart. Doja. Hosted by Memories with in the Olympic Games at Musée d'Orsay. Matthew. Up in the Musée d'Orsay, hosted by Matthew. Sold out. This is design. You're in old super suit. Edna mode. Sold out. At the X Mansion. Jubilee. Sold out. Live like Bollywood star. I'm getting arthritis. John V. Kapoor. Hosted by John Heafy Kapoor. Sold out. Go on tour with Feed. Sold out. Game with Lane. museum. Barbie's Malib Dream House Ken's Way. Pub hosted by May. Sold out. House Plantry. And the Buster hosted by Sandy. Sold out. Nice. Okay. So I think this is where I'm gonna leave it. And let's actually try to clean this up a little. Or at least the frames. Whoa. Let's see. This is out just fine, just fine. What is this? Home screen shots. This is profile screenshot. File. Let's actually move this here. Profile. So that's the actual profile. This is the actual messages. What is this? 54. Huh. This is part of messages screenshot. So let's group these into one frame. Or group, yep. And then, what is this? Oh, okay, I see what happened. So all this frame selection, and this will be move this over here, and then same thing over here. What did I do? Trips. And then explore. This is fine. What's this? Wish list. Wish list, trips, messages, explore should be first. And then I just remembered that. Copy this. What if I just delete this? It's not quite as thick, but it works. Yeah. And then I could organize this a little bit more, but I think I'll save that for like the advanced. The advanced, I guess, videos that I make. So let's go over the final result. Alignment exercise, yep, close all of that. So this is all the different listings, which is how it shows up in the app. And then here you can scroll horizontally, but you can't click. I didn't have that. And you can't click here either. And I didn't have the menu be clickable as well. So those are all things for the advanced videos. And then for wish lists, this one, there's nothing to click. I mean, you could, but I figure that's just going too far down the rabbit hole. Trips. Actually, check this. Yeah, it just looks a little thin, so it might be 2 pixels. Maybe, I don't know. I might be going blind, or not blind, but it looks a little blurry, this part. This one was good. It was like pretty straightforward. I think the one that most sort of irks me is kind of the trips one. There's something about just seeing the fonts. It feels like something's off. I don't know. Yeah, this was straightforward, and then this one was pretty good. Yeah, it's something about this font that kind of throws me off. Yeah. Alright, so see y'all tomorrow. Till then, I am going to be going through YouTube videos and then going through the Udemy courses, which I will summarize in their own videos. And then at that point, I'm going to come back after this, come back and to the Airbnb, add the more advanced features. And then once I sort of finalize this entire step, just going to make like an official video for my main YouTube channel, which currently has no videos, no subscribers, but that one will be, I think, the channel that really pops because I'll be making more succinct videos. This channel is more like I'm learning, you're learning with me, we're kind of figuring it out together. The other channel is, okay, I kind of figured it out, here's my recommendations, because I followed it, so this is like reasonably what I would recommend for other people that are just tuning in or are sort of waiting until I finalize my steps and have gone through resources, so I can recommend like my final list of resources and steps. So see y'all later.